Hello,
And welcome.
this is JN Gaming,
I'm Herbert.
and I'm Sherbert. And today we're going to be playing some MMO Goat Simulator, the More Goats edition.
To show you how to make a flying microwave goat.
So we're going to start in the main menu, MMO Simulator. It's not going to save the stuff, so as of now you're just going to want double jump. We just put on inventory, you don't have to. We're just going to put on what we want.
Go ahead and press. Oh yeah, and Zeus, of course.
Alright, and then we're just going to play. And from the main menu, you're going to want to select Zeus or microwave. Either of the two, right? Sure, we'll select the two.
Tank or microwave right here.
You select tank, and I will select microwave.
Alright. Got it?
Yep.
We'll go to mutators.
And then they should be right there. You're going to put on microwave and tank for you.
Microwave, tank, and Zeus. That's all we need, right?
You don't need Zeus, but...
And here we
And
go.
now you have the armor. And then you jump and you press Y.
Every time you press Y, you will now have liftoff.
Since the microwave doesn't go very fast, as you can see, this makes it very much faster.
It's a lot more efficient in traveling.
And here's a water glitch. We will show you that in a different video. And we'll explain everything. Other than that, guys, that is it for this video. Little short film. If you liked this video and or it helped you, please subscribe to this channel. We are new to this. And goodbye.